They said it couldn't be done. They laughed when you dared to dream beyond the ordinary. They rolled their eyes when you reached for the stars while still standing barefoot on the ground. Be realistic, they said. Play it safe. What they didn't understand is that real greatness is never born in comfort zones. Because chasing the impossible is what shapes legends. What is impossible anyway? Is it a wall we cannot climb, a weight we cannot lift, a dream too far, too bold, too strange? Or is it just a word, a label, a belief passed down by those who never tried? Throughout history, the world has been rewritten by people who dared to question that word. The Wright brothers defied gravity. Nelson Mandela defied oppression. Helen Keller defied silence and darkness. Every one of them was told, "It can't be done." And yet, they did it. You see, the impossible isn't a fact, it's a challenge. It's the universe daring you to be more, to push harder, to dig so deep into your soul that even your doubts begin to believe in you. But here's the truth. Chasing the impossible is not easy. There will be pain, there will be failure, there will be nights where you question everything, when your mind says give up and your heart whispers not yet. The road to the impossible is long, lonely, and uncertain, but it's also the most beautiful journey you will ever take. Because every scar will become your strength, every setback will become your story, and every step, no matter how small, is a rebellion against giving up. Look around. The people who made a mark on this world were not the ones who followed the path. They were the ones who made their own. They were misunderstood, rejected, criticized, but they kept moving forward. Because deep inside, they believed in something stronger than fear. Purpose. You have that fire too. Maybe you've buried it. Maybe you've been told to dim it, to be quiet, to be realistic. But listen, the dream you carry is not random. It chose you for a reason. The impossible is calling you, not to break you, but to build you. You will rise through the storm. You will run when your legs ache. You will speak when your voice shakes, because deep down, you know you were not born to be average. You were born to chase something greater, and chasing the impossible doesn't mean you will always win. Sometimes it means showing up even when the odds are against you. Sometimes it means failing publicly and standing back up anyway. It means believing even when no one else does. You don't need everyone's approval. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need one thing, the will to begin. And once you begin, the impossible starts to lose its power, because the moment you take that first step, the impossible becomes possible. Not overnight, not without sacrifice, but with every sunrise, every setback, and every ounce of faith you pour into it, you get closer. So run toward your dream, even if it scares you, even if it feels too big, too far, too fragile. Because when you chase the impossible, you give others permission to do the same. You become the proof, the spark, the example. And someday, someone will point to you and say, because of them, I believed it was possible. So go ahead, chase the dream, challenge the odds, redefine what's possible. Not because it's easy, but because it's worth it. The world is waiting for your story. The impossible is waiting to be proven wrong.